Hey everyone, so in this video we will guide you how our deal status in sales inquiry and sales quotation works. So in on Transact we do have a functionality of new customer development where you can go ahead and generate your sales inquiry, and then after from that you can create a sales quotation as well. Now let me show you how it works and how helpful it will be to you. So first of all, let us click on all modules and then go to sales and purchase. Once you will come in sales and purchase, you need to go to quotations. Now, once you will come in quotation, you need to select the sales inquiry. You can go on sales quotation, there also it will come. Now, once I will open this particular sales inquiry, please check. In this, you can see deal status as pending. So if I will click on deal information here, I can go ahead and select that is it SQ created or rejected. It automatically get converted also. Like suppose if I will go ahead and create a SQ out of this particular sales inquiry, so it will, the deal status will automatically change to SQ created, or you can manually change it also. Now coming back on sales quotation, let me show you what functionality is there. So I selected the sales quotation here. Now suppose if I open this particular sales quotation. Now in sales quotation, the deal status will be different. Now here you can see pending, one, lost. So once you will create a order confirmation from this sales quotation, system will automatically send it to one. If suppose any sales quotation is not going ahead and it is lost, no, it will not be required in future. You can select lost manually and then after can make the changes. So I selected it and then after it is showing lost. I hope this particular video will be helpful to you in order to make the changes in deal status of sales inquiry and sales quotation. Have a good day ahead.